guys, welcome back. So I am here to share with you the whole process, what happened if you're coming back to India from any country or something like that. I'll just give you an update. Guys, I forgot to shoot this. Wait 1 minute. Yeah. At the end, wait till the end. At the end, मैंने ना फ्लाइट के वीडियोस लिए हैं, फोटोज लिए हैं रात की टाइम पे. यू नो सिटीज बोल रही हूँ, कंट्रीज ना, लाइक यू आर अप योर एंड दिस इज द कंट्री. एंड ना मतलब वो लाइटें चलती है ना, रोड की लाइट्स, क्या बोलते हैं रोड की लाइट को, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स वर देयर एंड यू नो दे वर शाइनिंग. सो व्हेन यू वर अप राइट, ऐसा सेक्शन दिख रहा था कि दिस इज वन कंट्री. फिर आगे जा रहा था तो वापस पूरा ब्लैक. देन अगेन यू गो मोर हेड, यू कैन सी मोर कंट्रीज, लेकिन ऐसे स्पॉट्स दिख रहे थे, इतना प्रिटी दिख रहा था. तो मैंने सब रिकॉर्डिंग लिया है. जस्ट वेट टिल द एंड एंड वॉच. Okay, so firstly, I had to sign some petition. So I had signed that petition, and after few days, they sent me an email saying that you are on the waiting list. So basically, waiting list is जैसे हम ट्रेन में जाते हैं तो वेटिंग लिस्ट निकलती है ना, वैसे ही. सो दिस वॉज द वेटिंग लिस्ट. सो आई टोल्ड देम, ओके लिसन, आई नीड टू गो अर्जेंट टू इंडिया. I have some issues and all of that, so I want to go. So basically, I kept on emailing that I want to go back. So that's where they send me a email that okay, you're being shortlisted, and then they sended me an link of do the payment. No, then they called me that okay, do you want to go? I was like, yes, of course I want to go. And then they send me a link where I have done payment to Air India for the flight payment, and after the payment they haven't sent me the ticket. Now this is just one day before I come, so this was on 11th. On 10th or almost on 11th, I got an email that do you want to go, you've been waitlisted, you're in the waiting list. And I was like, yes. So this is all like ek din pehle ka process. Okay, then on 11th I get a link and I did the payment like almost an afternoon evening types, and then I haven't got my ticket. It's been so late, it's been like approx 7 o'clock. Then I called them that please send me the ticket, I've already paid you. And after telling them, they are checking my name on the list. They are like, wait, let us check that your name is there on the list or not. So then they saw the list. Then they sent me the ticket, and next day I had to leave. So now this is when comes the 12th. So here comes, I'm going guys to India. Anyways, yeah, so uncle came to leave me. Thank you so much uncle for coming to drop me. Then I went inside and I was a little early, so we had to stand out. And after that, we were told to go in. There was so many public, guys. There was so many public. Then we went out. We were standing out in a queue, and then we went out. After that, we had done our check-in. All the checking process, we had given our luggage to them, and then we were told to sign some paper that compulsory quarantine we will do after going India, and all of that signatures were done. After that, we were like, before going to the flight, no, then we were told that our flights are late. Our flights are late, 2 hours late. ठीक है, और वो लेट क्यों हुई थी guys? Do you want to know? I would like to tell. इन लोगों ने, ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड इन लोग की भी गलती नहीं है, बट मे बी जल्दी में, एंड दिस प्रोसेस वॉज वेरी फास्ट. सो द थिंग इज, बहुत लोगों का 9th को प्लान था. लाइक मेनी पीपल हैड अ प्लान टू गो ऑन 9th. दे हैड देयर टिकट्स ऑन 9th. दे हैड पेड फॉर 9th टू गो टू मुंबई. But for some reason, Air India people called them and said that the flight is full, so you guys cannot come. So they were not informed that on 12th you can come. We are booking you on 12th. This wasn't told to them. So on 12th, these people didn't knew that we have to go on 12th. So for that reason, they were calling them that come fast, we'll wait for you. And that's the reason the flight was delayed for 2 fucking hours. Sorry. For 2 hours, okay? Yes. And after that, I was hungry and everything. The airport was band. Everything was closed. There was just 1 or 2 shop which was open. Like Boots was open, and one shop where you get food and all of that. Like no, books and all of that. Like book and food and all of that. So only that was open. Rest everything was shut down. People were like, अरे ड्यूटी फ्री में चलो, ड्यूटी फ्री में चलो, ड्यूटी फ्री में चलो ये. एंड उन सबका तो चॉप ही हो गया क्योंकि सब कुछ बंद. आई एम एट द एयरपोर्ट राइट नाउ एंड द फ्लाइट इज डिलेड. सारी शॉप्स यहाँ पे बंद है. एवरीथिंग इज क्लोज्ड. आई शो यू. Closed. Restaurants also closed. So and an airport and so empty. Anyways, let's go. Let's roam and chill now since we have a lot of time. Fully, auntie and her daughter made, Misha made for me like theplas and lasun ki chutney at night. So मुझे काम आ गया. Flight was 3 almost. मतलब फ्लाइट के अंदर बैठने के बाद भी वो 1 घंटा लेट थी. तो ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटा लेट थी. तो मैंने थेपलास खा लिए थे. सो थैंक यू आंटी एंड मिशा. बहुत काम आया मुझे थेपले. एंड थैंक यू माई मॉम टोल्ड आंटी टू मेक एंड गिव इट. सो थैंक यू ममा फॉर टेलिंग इट एंड थैंक यू फॉर नोइंग एज ऑल्सो बट मेरी बेटी को भूख लगेगी. कुछ ना कुछ होगा उसके साथ. अजीबोगरीब होती ही रहता है उसके साथ. सो थैंक यू मॉम एंड डैड. एंड then we went to flight. We sat in the flight. No, before going to flight, they were checking our temperature. Going to flight, they were checking our temperature check. As a gunshot se laser light was coming, and laser light se our temperature was being checked. After the temperature, then we were sent to the flight. Flight में there was a plastic bag filled with food items and that was given to us to eat. They were like, we are not going to give you anything else apart from this packet. So जो भी है आपको फ्लाइट में यही खाना है. फ्लाइट का खाना was बकवास. Like few things were good. Thankfully they gave us namkeen and some things were good, but honestly I didn't had too much in flight. I just had like 1 or 2 items. The food wasn't that good. And उसके बाद उन्होंने टीवी बंद कर दी. भाई एक तो ऑलरेडी हम इतने थके हारे हैं एंड वी आर जस्ट बोर्ड. 10 घंटे की फ्लाइट में हम करे क्या यार. मूवी तो चालू कर देते. उन्होंने टीवी बंद कर दिया था. सो एवरी आवर वी वर चेकिंग कि और कितना टाइम है और कितना टाइम है. टाइम ही नहीं कट रहा था. एंड देन वी वर प्लेइंग लूडो. सो देयर वाज एन आंटी एंड हर सन सिटिंग नियर मी. So we were playing Ludo and we were doing time pass. And there was no social distance maintained in the flight. Like सब चिपक के बैठे थे. I thought कि एक रो खाली होगा बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. We were sitting all 3 together. मेरी पूरी लाइन में there was like 3 okay. सब फुल था. Like no social distance maintained, which was a strange thing for us because we were like, इतना you guys are maintaining social distance, तो फिर अब क्या हुआ. Sorry, I need water. Give me a minute. So yeah, after that we came back. We came to India. We got down. आफ्टर गेटिंग डाउन क्या हुआ, हाँ उन्होंने 30-30 के सेक्शन में सबको बाहर निकाला, मतलब जिसका एकदम लास्ट में है ना वो तो बेचारे 2 घंटे तक फ्लाइट में ही बैठे थे, मतलब ऐसा हाल था. लकीली माई वॉज 20, सो आई वॉज एकदम आगे, लाइक नॉट टू पीछे, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा, बट जो लोग पीछे थे, सैड फॉर यू गाइज. एंड देन we came out. सबसे पहले we had to download this app called Arogya Setu and register ourselves. It was compulsory. Now people who didn't had Indian number, वहाँ पे सिम कार्ड वाले भी थे, एयरटेल एंड जियो. सिम कार्ड लो, नया सिम कार्ड लो, अपने आप को रजिस्टर करो और फिर जाओ. सिंस आई हैड माई ओन सिम कार्ड, मैं लेके ही गई थी, सो मैंने वही सिम कार्ड वापस इंस्टॉल कर दिया और इंडियन नंबर से रजिस्टर कर दिया. So for me it wasn't an issue. And after that I came out. Then they had checked us again. Again our temperature was being checked. Like again that gunshot number लिखा and then you can go. Then we took our bags. Now bag मिल ही नहीं रहे थे, इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था. काफ़ी टाइम बाद मुझे मेरा बैग मिला. इतनी गर्मी, मतलब समझ में आ गया था कि भाई हम मुंबई आ गए, हम इंडिया आ गए थे. गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही थी. एंड या फ्लाइट ऑल्सो, लाइक आई रिमूव्ड माई जैकेट. आंटी ने क्रॉप टॉप पहना था एंड ऊपर स्वेट शर्ट पहना था, आंटी ने भी निकाल दिया अपना स्वेट शर्ट. डूड, इट वॉज वेरी हॉट इन द फ्लाइट. सॉरी, इट वॉज वेरी हॉट इन द फ्लाइट एज वेल. उसके बाद वी टुक आवर बैग्स. And then while coming out, they gave us one paper, list of hotels. There were just few hotels where we were told that you have to choose any one hotel and just go there. And पैसा is खुद पे, सब पैसा खुद पे. So then we had to register ourselves. Like there were BMC people who were taking our name, number, address, and which hotel we have to go. So I think that is for, they might come and do checking or something, I don't know what. So they came there for the checking thing and all. After that directly we had to go down and wait for like 2-3 people, then we'll all go together to a particular hotel. And after that I came here in Powai. Hotel का नाम क्या है? Renaissance. We came to this hotel and yeah, I'm staying here. Let's see how many days. So this was the whole lot of big process. Also I'll let you know in other video. I need to post this video because people who are coming, they might need this video. So I'll tell you whole lot of other process. होटल में कितने दिन रख रहे हैं, क्या है क्या नहीं है, in another video. That's it. And yeah, the process was quite like एयरपोर्ट पे इतना कुछ अलग धतिंग नहीं हुआ. बस नॉर्मल, इट वॉज गुड. जस्ट एक चेकिंग हो रहा था एंड आरोग्य सेतु का अलग थोड़ा नाटक था. मतलब दैट इज़ गुड, आई नो, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि टाइम कंज्यूमिंग वॉज मोर. बट या अदर देन दैट देयर वॉज नथिंग मोर. पीपल वरंट सेंड इवन टिकट. यू गाइज कैन कम. आप लोग की शायद टिकट अगर ना भी मिले, अगर आपने पैसा भर भी दिया है तो भी आ जाओ, बिकॉज I don't know what's, many people with me, they didn't have their ticket, but since they had paid, they just came on 12th. And yeah, that's it. So it was good, it was nice. I came back to India thankfully, and yeah, that was a whole lot of process.
Yippee! I'm going back to India, Mumbai. My takeoff was way too smooth. Air India, nice pilot. I like it. It was very smooth, very nice. Bye bye, London. I will come soon. See you back soon. This looks so beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that orange. Oh my god, look at that sun. So pretty. बहुत pretty scenery. This is looking like just clouds are just above us. and this looks so beautiful. Hey, sun, where are you? Sun, bro, where are you? Forget it. Let's look down if Hiro wants to look at me. Ha, now we are on clouds. In the air, on the clouds. Ta-na-na. Nice. I want to walk on the clouds. Like, who else want to walk on the clouds? Like, I know practically I'm just talking anything, but हो सकता है यार. Now we are just above the clouds, above the clouds. Guys, tell me who all wants to experience this, you know, clouds के साथ. Look at that sunset. ये देखने का भी अलग ही मजा है, sunset on up ऊपर से. Look, 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 look. See, this is what I was talking about. That's a country. That orange lighting is that section is the country. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं ले पाई because you know बहुत black black दिख रहा था. This is India. We are in India now. We are coming down. So this is India. So इसलिए तुमको बहुत पास से ये दिख जाएगा. Yeah. So we landed. I am back.
Thank you guys for watching. Love you all and please share this video with your friends because I'm sure उनको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. Thank you guys. Bye.